When disaster strikes and insurance falls short, National Disaster Relief Management is here to help. We're a nonprofit organization committed to rebuilding homes and restoring hope for families denied insurance coverage after disaster hits. Through the dedication of volunteers and the generosity of donors, we bring safety, dignity, and stability back to communities in crisis. Whether it's minor damage like a burst pipe or damaged shingles, or major disasters like house fires, floods, or tornadoes, we step in when others step away. We don't just fix homes, we help people rebuild their lives. When it comes to reconstruction, there are only 3 steps: permits, demolition, and reconstruction. Restoring homes, rebuilding lives, renewing hope.